pretty close.
Yeah.
It's really close.
Like if you don't move, you just standing. Phone works good, but if you do a lot of moving,
Yeah, I know, because it can't keep the image still.
yeah.
You know, too much movement.
Yep.
Stabilization is tough to do.
Even with the action cam, it's still not easy to do. Oh, this looks like a beach. Look. Beach. Ooh, you can actually swim in here.
If you're brave enough.
No, I mean, not that many rocks.
No, it's nice.
Yeah, there's like people come fishing in here.
Yeah.
I mean, you
Just
can.
watch out for the snag hazards. But you want to go up to the mouth over there. You have to go over to the raging river. That's the good place to fish.
Oh, sometimes I
Right where the
see
mouth
like
is.
10, 20 people here.
Oh yeah. Full area is probably okay.
Less people here. And you record over there. You turn it off and on right there. See the red button.
I think that's why when you see people over here, they park right there. They just walk underneath the bridge, like we did.
Yeah,
So easy, you know.
Yeah.
Park there, walk. We're here, 100 yards.
I know.
Yeah.
I didn't know how they get over here.
And we're on our own beach.
Yeah, no people here.
Nope.
Not nice.
Not till later this summer. Then it'll be busy. Probably can't even find parking there. Have to ride the motorcycle down here. Hang out on the beach.
Hang out on the beach. So I have to, when I want to push, I have to like this.
Yeah, babe. Very close. Very close. Zoom in. It's like zoom in. But you have to go slower. The motion is too fast. You have to slow down.
Slow.
Yeah. Like that. And then slow back up. Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah. You have to go like that slow to make it look good. Are you shooting in,
4K.
yeah, but 30 or 60 frames a second?
60.
Yeah. You have to shoot it.
Yeah, all the new cameras, their stabilization is really good.
Yeah. Yeah, you know, it's like everything else. Just takes a bit more to get there.
The next model, I don't know what they're gonna come out with.
I don't know.
Like, what else can they improve on?
I don't know. Maybe that'll make the distance on the camera go farther or something.
Maybe so small. How far can it go?
Remember when just a few weeks ago the water was so high this is all covered?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was really high. All this was underwater.
See, it's harder to swim in here because they have rocks.
Yeah. Look at how fast that current's moving over there. That's moving pretty good.
Yeah. You can take the inner tube floating.
Huh?
You can bring the inner tube.
Yeah. Where'd that come from?
Somebody's yard.
Yeah, it's going for a road trip.
Going for a swim.
Yeah, it's going for a long way. So, way. Side down because the water pushes that way.
He just came out from the bush.
Huh?
That man just came out from the bush
Oh yeah.
behind us. Yeah, I cannot. Look, the battery is dying already. On here. Yeah, look.
Look at that.
It's that red.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh no, that's not good. You need to better order some more batteries.
I won't get it on time. Not long enough.
Not even if I stretch.
No, too short. This one is longer. Stronger.
Not too short. I need 3 of those.
Tell the kids to go pour it. Woo! Look at those.
Not
They
wet.
jump in the water. So freezing cold.
Oh, kids.
Goodness.
Yeah, they're kids. Kids do that stuff. I might be able to get with this one.
Yeah.